sir.
Okay, you are using your phone to join now, right?
You join the meeting now, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So for others that have their
Yes, sir.
laptop with them, I have dropped the data set for today's class. So we'll just start working now. We'll just start working. I'll begin to share my screen now. So that we can participate in the class fully. So now, okay, we are, we are starting right away. And today, basically, what we'll be doing is we'll be working on strings. We'll be working on strings, how to extract words from probably a column, how to extract words from column, how to find words, we'll talk about date function too. Also work on something like calculating age. So those are the things that we'll just have to work on today. Those are the things we have to work on today. So how many of us have opened the data set already? If you're with your laptop and you have opened the data set, you're with your laptop and you have opened the data set, let me see. Let me see. Nobody's saying anything. You're using your phone.
So I'm using my phone too. There's no lights in my area, so I'm using my phone.
Okay, it means that you will watch the recording and okay, okay, that's fine. So out of the 19 persons there, now the class attendance will be due. I don't want to get discouraged, right? Please don't get discouraged. Don't get discouraged. It's always like that. Many persons will start together and only few persons will. So and that is why I have strict measures on people that will get certificates, people that will get the certificate too. Please, I don't want you to get discouraged. Keep working. When I saw at the beginning of the class and I saw plenty of persons, I knew that it will not really work out like that. So the thing is, many people want to learn new things, but they cannot pay the sacrifice. They cannot pay the sacrifice. We will I need people that are intentional and are willing to pay sacrifice. And I believe you guys are willing to pay sacrifice. So today we have data. Data isn't always numbers. Often it's text. So sometimes when we talk about data sets, it's not all about numbers. Sometimes we have text in between. We have dates. So we have codes. So today we'll be slicing. We'll learn how to slice through text apart. So the last time we just separated columns, right? From one column we created multiple columns, right? So today we will try to extract specific words from another word in a column, then we'll create a column for that. So mostly we call it text extraction. Text extraction. So you can just think of having a product code like N. I think I'm coming. Okay. If you have a product code, probably employee code as EMP IT 001. So you might want to extract only the last digit. You might want to extract only the last digit. Or from this email address, we have John.Dre, we have Mary.S. We might want to extract only Mary. You might want to extract only Mary. You might want to extract only company.com. So, and all of those things are things you might want to length of a word. You might want to count the length of a word. You might want to find a specific letter in a word, like what number in the character is it located. Okay. Also, I said we'll be working on date functions, right? We'll be working on date functions, calculating age or the talk about date validation too. Also, conditional formatting. Yes, we talk about conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. Okay, talk about conditional formatting. So let's start right away. Let's start right away. So let's start with text extraction. We want to do with the left function now. We want to do left function.
Good
We
evening,
want to do
sir.
left function. Yes, sir. I'm with you.
Thanks for discussing, sir. Sorry, sir. Please, can you
Yes,
drop the
sir.
link to the YouTube video? Because some of us, I can't see the screen like this. I guess it's network. So if I'm accessing it to YouTube, it's easier for me.
The data set.
You know, like, as you are
I have
displaying
dropped
your
the data
screen, I
set
can't see.
in the group already.
No. Like, as you are displaying your screen, I can't really see it. It comes on and goes off. I think it's network problem. So can you share
Okay,
the YouTube
I should
link?
zoom the screen. I should zoom.
No. Like the
You can't see
YouTube
my screen.
link for those of us that want to stream on YouTube.
Okay, the link to the YouTube, right?
Yes, so that we can
What are you
watch.
saying? Because I can't hear you clearly.
Okay, I'm coming.
Can you hear me, sir?
Let me get the link to the YouTube.
Sir, can you hear me?
Link to YouTube.
Can you hear me clearly, sir?
Link to, I'm trying to paste the link there.
Okay, sir.
Ah, I'm doing that, but I guess my network is poor this night, and that's very bad. Okay, I've done that, but I don't know why it is not. Why the message is not loading on WhatsApp. Let me see if I can paste it here. If it will load quickly. Yeah. So, so I don't know if you have seen it here in the chat here. Check the chat here.
Keep
I
up.
can find it there.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, yes, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Um, cool. My network is really stopping this night, so please, I want you to bear with me this night. I want you to bear with me.
No problem.
I don't know what's wrong. Okay. So now the left function, let's insert a colon beside this name now. Let's call it left. Let's insert another column here and call it right. Right. Let's insert another column and call it mid. So let's have the mid function. So, okay, let's start with the left function now. So the left, we said every formula you're writing is equals to right. Then you write your left. So now it's asking for the text you want to choose. Now you are choosing this text, which is John Dre, right? Then comma, number of characters we want to extract. How many characters do we want to extract from the left? So let's say we want to extract 4 characters, that's 4 letters, right? Then we'll close our brackets and we'll click on enter. So you can see now it has extracted only John. That is from the left. You know how your left is. So JOHN, that's extracted only John. Now if we drag it down, okay, let's write for Mary. Get sorry, I'm doing for Mary, right? comma, we are extracting, let's say we are extracting 6 from Mary, from the left, 6 from the left, 6 characters. Then we have space in between, which is 5, because it counts space to 5. Then we have S, which is what? 6 now. For Ola now, how many is his name? We have 5 names. So let's say equals to left. Left, how many? Let's say we're extracting Ola, Abitunde, then we say now what? 5 characters, close the bracket, enter. You can see now. So that is how the left function works. Let's try for Sarah, equals to left. Are we still together, please? I'd like to get a feedback. Are we still together?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're together.
Are we still together?
We are together, only just that some of us are not seeing your
Okay.
screen.
We are
Okay.
together.
Okay.
Sorry, excuse me. Can you
So we
come
have
again?
the
I did not get
left,
it
which is
very well.
now. Let's work on Sarah. Let's say for Sarah, we want. Let's
I
say we
can't see
just
your
want
screen.
our first name. Okay, I should come again, right? Okay, we said for the left function, you just write your left the way it's you want to select. You want to select characters from the left. So we open brackets. Then which text do you want to select characters from? You want to select from what? Ahmed B, right? Which is this character. So we are selecting, sorry, this text. We are selecting it. I selected it, comma. How many characters do we want to select from the left? Let's say we want to select uh 5 characters from the left. So we are do we get that?
Hello, Mr. Adi. I can't
Do
see your
we
screen
get
again.
that?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Hello. Do we get that? You're not saying anything.
I can't
Yes,
see your
yes, we are
screen. Can't
getting
see your
it.
screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're not saying anything. No.
Sir, it's your network. People are speaking.
Okay. Okay. So if we have gotten that, we can move on. We can move on to the right function, right? So we want to select from this John Doe, or let's even select. Okay, let's select from John Doe, right? We are selecting from him. We have selected the text, our comma, the number of characters, right? What first number of characters we want to select from the right. Now it will speak from EODNH2 like that. That's how it will pick from. Let's say we are picking from 5. So let's say we are picking 3 characters. Close the bracket, right? So let's say for Mary equals to, we want to pick 4. We want to pick our last name equals to Mary. Sorry, right? Right, right. You write right. Then the text which is Mary, comma, um, then 4. So we are picking 4 characters from Mary. Close the bracket, and you will see now. So if I do for Sunday and I say equals to right, we are picking for Sunday and we are picking just 1 character, you will see that we pick only A. We are picking only 1 character.
Is this my network?
It's not only you. Send me too. There's a tutorial site.
The network glitch is coming from the meeting host.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes, so I think it's going to correct that. So let's just hold on. Thank you, guys.
All right.
I don't think our tutor is here online again. What's happening?
Yeah, I feel like his technical issue is very, very serious. So maybe I don't know. I can't speak for him, but maybe he's going to cancel today's class.
Okay.
But I don't know yet. That's
I
what I'm
think
saying here.
I think we should just hold on for a little bit, like 15 minutes before we just decide. So let's just hold on, please. All right, no problem. No problem.
Is it that the network is really, really affecting us, or what is really happening?
Yes. Please, guys, I'm sorry. I didn't notice that my network has disconnected. I'm so sorry about that. Please. Uh, I'm so sorry about that. Please, if something of
Okay.
my network got disconnected and I didn't get to know. So please, if something of that happen next, please just you can just call me on WhatsApp so I can quickly notice that. Please, you can quickly just call me on WhatsApp and
Okay, no problem, sir.
yes, thank you very much. Let me drop the message in the group that I'm back online so others that let's okay. So so where do I stop before the network goes interrupted, please? Where did I stop?
Stop that right. You're explaining right.
Which I was Jesus. Okay, it's fine. I had even finished explaining me before I realized that I was out of the call. That's serious. That's serious. So I don't know. I believe we understand the right now. Does anybody have question with the right function?
So we're
Okay, I'll
still on the
just leave
left
everybody.
when the thing is connected.
We're still on the
We're on
left.
the left function when yes, we're still on the left function when the network
Oh, okay,
disconnected.
we're still on the left. Okay,
Yes, I think when
okay,
we
let
are
me just
about to
quickly
talk
run
about
over
the
it.
right,
Let me run over it. Sir?
It was when you were on like Ahmed, you were rounding up with the last one. That's when the network disconnected.
Okay, okay. Probably some other person's network has disconnected long ago. Let me just quickly run over the left, the right, and
Please,
let's go to the
are
mid.
we done with the class? Or class have not started? Because I'm just joining in the class now.
Okay, we just resumed back because I had internet issue, so we're back fully. We are resuming. We started before. So I said the left function. So I'm restarting everything now for those that are just joining and for those
But I
that
can't
felt
see your
like their
network.
network had gone.
Sir, you have not started sharing your screen, sir.
Okay, I forgotten. I just came back on. Okay, okay. I just came back on. Right? Okay. Okay, you can see it now, right?
Yes, sir.
So I said something that the left function is that you want to pick data, I mean, you want to pick characters from a text from the left hand side. So now from this guy that is John here, we want to pick 4 characters from his name from the left side. So we now have our first thing that we write when we're writing a formula, which is left, which is equals to rather. We have equals to left. Then we have the text we want to pick from, which is this John text, which is B2, comma. How many characters do we want to pick? Let's say we want to pick 3 characters. So we close the bracket and we click on enter. You can see that now. The same thing applicable here. For this other guy, we picked what 6 characters. So, and that's what we are seeing Mary. So it picks Mary. We have 4 characters, Mary. Then it's counted the middle space, that is the space between Y and S, and that's why we're having 6. So we have 6 characters because when it's counting characters, it counts space after it. I mean, it counts space too. Then for this Sarah, we picked only 1 character, and that's why we are seeing only ST. Then for the right function, we just write, so if we pick from right, if we pick from right, we have equals to right. So where are we picking from? We are picking from John. How many characters are we picking from the right? Let's pick 3 characters so that we just pick these last 3 names. I mean, these last 3 characters. Click on enter. You can see it just picks this DOE, right? If we say from this semi to pick only 1 character, which is just pick 1 character, right? We write our equals to right B3, right? That is where Mary semi is. And how many characters we want to pick from the right side? You see 1 character, so it will return only I. It will return only I. Then I can see now it's returning the last I. So the same thing applicable to all of these other guys. You can see it now. For this hierarchy, we picked only 4 characters. And this is what we got. We have H space key. So for this hierarchy, it means that it counted this full stop, then counted key, then it counted the space, then counted H. So those were the 4 characters. Now for Hamid, we said 3 characters. So it's counted, and you see for the Hamid, it means that it counted the full stop, it counted B, and it counted the space between G and B. So that is what 3. So now let's move to mid. I hope I've not been disconnected so again.
No, sir, I can see it.
Let me let me let me be checking from time to time. So so now we have the mid function. The mid function is just similar to the rest. Our equals to, right? Then mid now, right mid, open bracket. So it's asking us the text we want to pick from. So now for this one, let's use the employee code. Employee code. I'm making use of the employee code. So we are picking from the employee code. That's the text we want to pick from. Comma. What is the start number? So it means that which number do we want to start from? So we'll count. This E is 1, M is 2, P is 3. This hyphen is 4, I is 5. So I want to pick only IT. So now since I is 5, I want to start from 5. Comma. How many number? What is the number of characters we want to pick? We want to pick only 2 characters, which is the IT 2. Close brackets. And you click on enter. So you can see now it only picked IT. So it's picking from the middle. From the middle. For this HR, what I did was that I wanted to pick this hyphen HR hyphen. You get it now. So that's why I have equals to mid open brackets. So this hyphen is what number 4. We have E is 1, M is 2, P is 3, then hyphen is 4. We have, so we pick the text we want to do, comma, then we have 4. How many characters we want to pick? We want to pick hyphen H R hyphen. So that is how many characters? 4 characters. So we write 4, close bracket, and enter. So now
My question
we
is,
have,
why do you use all these mean right or left function? Why do you
so if, okay, the reason why we use it is you might want to, like this now. You see like this now, like this. You might just want to extract the year out together.
Yes, sir.
You might want to extract only the year. So if you're extracting only the year, how do you want to do it? Do you want to be typing it manually? No. You know that year has only 4 numbers, like, right? Automatically. So you can just do for year. Okay, let's say I want to extract the year from here. So it will be what? Equals to, sorry, I want to extract year equals to mid, or I can do, instead of doing mid, I can do right. Right?
Last.
Right. If we do right, so comma, how many numbers do we want to pick from the right? That is 4 numbers. We want to pick 4 numbers from the right, which is 4 numbers. So you can see now it has brought out the 1990 for us. So and we have easily generated the what? The okay.
No, I'm not saying that. Like,
Yes, I'm coming.
please, I can't sit like you.
Wait, say I'm with you, I'm coming.
The network is really disturbing from
So
this side. Very
this is one of
much
the things we do
disturbing.
in data cleaning. So you can see the first one, Sha. The first one is 1990. The second one is 1985. But this is middle numbers. I don't know why we have them like this. So I'll check.
I'm
I'll
not
look into
seeing
that later.
your.
You cannot see my screen. Wow.
Yes,
Is it back now?
it's not.
Maybe you connect our internet box.
Okay, we have what person saying. So you can just disconnect then connect back.
Sorry, sir. When we have the month where the first one is 05, second one is 11, then the third one is 1. If we have a large data set and we want to like make that 101 first, like all the ones with just 1 digit, we want to like make it 2 digits first before we now push it to the right or the left. How do you do it?
So now the dates now. When these dates when they were entering these dates, there was actually an error there. There was actually an error. So, and these are the things we do in data cleaning when we enter data cleaning proper, so that we'll be able to fix all of these issues. You get now.
Yes, sir.
So when we enter data cleaning proper, we'll be able to. I'll show you how to fix this kind of errors. Because normally, if you change this to long date, it has changed to long date now. Somebody's mic is on, please, and the person is interrupting my. Okay, thank you. So now when we change this to long date, it's supposed to, everything here is supposed to change to the way this Thursday, October is. You get. It's supposed to change to something like this, but because of how the dates were entered, it brought out issues. And this is the work of, and this is majorly one of the, these are majorly the works of data analysts, data cleaning. You need to clean these data. Like this other guy now that turned to 6069. If you are working on a project, it can affect your work, and you have to take your time to make sure that you fix it. So now let's move on. Let me change this one to the correct date, short date. Okay, moving on. So we have gotten the mid function to now. I've understood what the mid function does. We apply that to this one. We say mid A4, right? And we are picking only three letters from the mid, which is OPS. So the O is starting from number 5. So how many characters are we picking? We're picking 3 characters, which is OPS, and that is how we have it like this. So when you click on enter, we have OPS, right? So moving on, we have the text analysis where we check the length of a text. You can check the length of a text. Okay, let me add one beside his full name now. Let me add the, let's check length. So now if I want to check the length of a text, we just do equals to len, this len, open brackets, you pick the text, you close the bracket, and you click on enter. So you can see here we have 8 characters. It means that the characters in the name of this guy is 8. You see, you have John, which is 4 characters, then space 5, then DEO, which is now 8. So that is how to count. That's how to count. You see, for this Mary Simi, we have how many characters? So for Mary Simi, her name is how many characters? 9 characters. So, and why is it 9? Because it is counting the space that is between Y and S. It counted the space too. For Tunde too, it counted the space between E and O. So that is how it works. I don't, do we get that now?
Yes, sir.
Do we get that?
Yes, sir.
So let's
Yes,
see, let's move
yes.
on. So we want to find text now. We want to find a character or we want to find the text, either ways. So we do find, let's do find. Let's use the email guy to define work. Insert. Let's do find. So
How do you shift that ID
equals
from?
to,
How do you shift it?
okay, it's just inserting. I just inserted a column.
How do you insert the column?
You see the way, okay, let me just click out. You come and click on this H. I've clicked on the H, right? You can either come to this top here, this place I'm putting my cursor now. You can come there and insert the column, or you can just come to this H, right click on it. It brings down a drop down menu, and you click on insert.
Okay,
Then
thank you.
it insert to the left. So let's do, I'm doing find, right? U equals to find, right? Open bracket. So find text. Which text do we want to find? We want to find at, right? We want to find at. So because it is a character, we do what? We put it as, we put it in column. We put it in column, right? I mean, yes. Sorry, in
Yes, sir.
quotation rather, not column. We put it in quotation. So we have our at in quotation, then comma, within which text do we want to pick it from? We want to pick it from within this text. I want to pick it from within this text, right? Comma. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's say 9. Close it and see. Look, that's number. That's, you see, I'm coming. I'm coming, please. Let's yes. Okay. Um, as it is. Let's say you're copying this John.Dre, Control C. You put it here. So it is on space 9, character 9. So what you are finding is you are finding the point where it is located. I find the point where it is located. Let's see. Equals to, sorry. Equals to find let's find, we are looking for arts. Then which text? This text. Close the bracket and see. So now it says that it is on what? On character 9. So M is 1, 2, 3, 4, then dot 5, S is what? 6. So the art is on character 9 here.
7, 7.
Sorry, on character 7 rather. It's on character 7. The same thing here, we can apply that here equals to find open bracket. What are we finding? We are looking for art. Or we can even find dot com. Now it is case sensitive. I've told us before. It's Excel is case sensitive. Comma, from which text are we finding it? From this text. Close the bracket, and you can see it's starting from what? Character 14. That is 14. If you count it, you see that the dot starts from where? From 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the dot is on 14. So that's how it works. That's how it works. So we can just autofill now. Our normal thing, autofill. Now you can see that for this other guy, it starts from 16 because they don't have the same number of characters. So
Hello, sir.
that
I
is,
didn't get
that is
I
what.
didn't get this finding.
Okay, you didn't get it.
After the quotation mark, what happened next? Am I the one that will choose the number that I'm finding?
No. Okay, let's see this one. He said is comma, like we are finding dot com, right? We are finding the place where it is located. You get, so now do our equals to find, then the word you want to find, or the text you want to find, or the character you want to find. For this is you are looking for dot com, right? Then you write your comma, then the text, I mean where you are finding it from. So we are finding it from this G4, which is this Tunde at company.com, right? So this is where we are finding it from. So that's why I will click on it, then we'll close the bracket and we'll click on enter.
Okay.
Did you get that now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
On this matter of can we be the register portfolio and people will be registering on the same like at the same time on the day.
For people to be registered and you will be seeing it at the same time. it depends on how you set your database. Like if you're using a Google form now, if you're using a Google form and as people are filling the form and you are refreshing your page, the sheet now, and you're refreshing your page, so it will be updating by itself automatically. It will be updating, to be updating, to be updating. So,
We should get there.
sir?
We should get there, shall we? From this for
Yes,
this course.
yes, yes. So now let's work on the date function. The date function. So you want to get the date. You want to get today's date. The date function. I want to find today. We have equals to today. Open bracket and close it. You click on enter. So you can see today's date here. Today is 28th of what? Of November 2025. So all you just have to do is equals to today. Open and close the bracket and click on enter. So we just have it that way. Just as simple as that. So probably you're working and or you're looking for what's today's date, what's today's date. Now note that this date works with what? With your computer's date. It works with your computer's date. If the date on your computer is not correct, then that is what it makes use of. Um, we have the year, extracting a specific year from a date and the month. So we want to extract the year from here, from this place. Oh, let's see. Let's extract equals to year. So six. Let's see from let me try this. Equals to okay. Let's insert a table here. Let's see what yeah. Equals to so we can see it now. You know, I told you the other time that this date format that was written here, there's an issue with it. There's an issue with it. So that's why we're not getting the what we needed from there. So you can see now here, we have written our today's date. So we want to find the year, right? Extract here. Let me extract here. So now let's extract the months. Extract months. Want to extract months from here. Well, equals to you can see month, right? What's the month from here? Close the bracket. Enter. We can see the month is what? November. That is 11.
Yeah.
So that is that. So our time is fast spent. We were supposed to do conditional formatting today, but because of our time, we'll just continue tomorrow from there. We'll continue tomorrow from there.
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll be doing tomorrow also. Please do not miss tomorrow's class because tomorrow we'll enter lookups, and that is the interesting part of it. So please, we'll start with lookups tomorrow. I mean, we'll continue from here, conditional formatting, then we'll enter lookups, and it's a part that you will not want to miss. So the class code for today Let me drop it here. The class code for today. Please go and check it out. SS. So that is the class code for today. SAS101. SAS101. So please make sure you do watch it. I mean, make sure you get the code now. So that you not come and meet me later and people will enter my DM and say they don't get the code, they don't get the code. And I've
Please,
realized that some persons will not watch the video and they want to fill the form. So they will come and ask for code, please. I will not respond to those messages. So I'm with you.
please, I have a question.
Okay.
So, like the formula that we use to find today's date, the current date, can we use the same formula to find yesterday's date or tomorrow's date?
I have not tried it before, so you can just try it out.
Actually,
Now
try
at the
doesn't
beginning of the
work.
class,
That's why I asked.
it didn't work.
Yeah.
So I've not used it before. So
Okay.
it means that it does not work. So have you seen the class? I mean, this today's session is yes, session what if
Section 5.
this
Section
is
4.
session 5. It should be session 5, right?
It's
Is it
session
5
5.
or 4?
I think
Section
it's
5.
5.
It's 5, session 5, please.
It's fine.
Session
It's
5.
5. It's 5.
So this is
Okay.
a code. Session code is SAS101. SAS101. So James, you are raising your hand. James.
Please, I have a question, sir.
Okay.
Assignments.
Yes, for extraction of the year, I think for that I column, you didn't put I2. If at that been you put I2, I think the year would have come out.
Okay. Let me see that. Where is it? Let's see. Equals to you said I didn't do what?
I2,
You said I didn't
I2.
put
Well,
I2.
yeah, yes,
Okay.
in the one of year, you wrote year, then you open bracket, right? You wrote K2, and the 2025 came out.
Okay, let's see. You said I should write I2. Now in column 3, let's see I3. Let's see. It's still not working. You can see it now. Equals to here I3. Do you get that now? So it's actually from this date format that we have issue from. And if the date format is not correct, you cannot work with it. So some persons think that building of dashboard is the main work in data analysis. It is not. The main work in data analysis is data cleaning. Data cleaning. So another question. Do we all get the session code?
Yes, I've gotten it.
Okay.
Good evening.
Okay, good evening.
Please, what are we doing with the code? This is my first time here actually.
Okay, it's for your attendance. It's for your attendance. So let me quickly drop the
Why am I
attendance.
submitting that?
I will drop the link for the attendance now. Drop the link for the attendance. But it's just the link we've been using before now. So
Okay. Thank you.
I'll drop it on WhatsApp
Um,
and here too.
sir, I have a question.
Okay.
On this current date, the format that it gave me is different from the one that you have. On your own, the month came first before the 28th.
Right.
It's totally different from my own. My own is 28th November 2025. Your own is November 28th. And why it's affecting the extra, me finding the extra year and
Okay, to
the
extract.
extract year and yes, it's affecting it. It's giving me anytime I do extract, it's giving me, I don't know, a separate values like where I don't know, it's just wear off, like it's off. Yes.
So are you usually using the current date that we generated?
The current date.
Yes.
I use the formula to get the current date now.
So when you
But
generate, when you got the current date, was it the okay? Now this is it. I said equals to year K2. So I'm using this one, the dates that I generated, to extract the year. Is it the
um
date you used that you generated that you used to extract a year?
Hello, sir.
yes, the one I generate is the same one I'm using to extract it, but it's not. It's giving me one random number.
Have you checked? Okay, let me show you. Check this guy here. You can come to this place. So click on it. Click on the random number. Then come to this number section in your home tab.
Mm,
Then check what is showing you there. There is that place where you see general there.
uh, okay.
Is it showing you general or showing you something else?
The is it's just showing me date.
So you can change it to general, let's see.
Okay, I can change it to general. Okay, let me try.
General, let's see.
Still nothing. I
You
put
can
it in
probably
general.
suggest.
I
Is there
put
anybody
it. I
having
put
that
it.
same issue? When you put it in general, what was it showing?
It's still the same number. It didn't change. It's still that 5989. I don't know.
Five
A
nine eight
proposal,
nine.
please.
Okay. I'm
Okay,
with you. I'm
you
with you.
said something, sir. You said the
Okay.
current dates depend on
Mm.
the date of your system.
Yes.
So I think the arrangement, if that be true, I think the arrangement of the date on your system also matters.
Matters. Yes. Yes. So you can check the
The
way
the
that
way
the date on
on
your laptop
is
is.
maybe it's on starting from the
Yes.
day, the month,
Sorry,
year.
sorry, please. Can I say something?
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, I'm with you. I'm with you. Somebody wants to speak. I'm with that person. Person not saying anything.
Sir, please don't be offended though. Please, can you like redo that current date? You know how you. I want to just see because the problem for my own end though is starting from
Mm.
that. Please, can you help me? Can you redo it?
Okay. You do equals to, right? Then you write today, like normal today.
Okay.
You can see the screen. Open bracket and close the
Uh,
bracket. Click on enter.
okay. Okay. Let me try it again.
The today
See
should be
whether I can
uppercase.
get it.
Yes.
I have a question.
Okay. I'm with you.
Hello.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
I said, if you use a format, maybe we type format, then today date.
Format.
Won't it work? I don't know. Maybe you get my question. Like this, we say DD, MM, then YYYY.
Okay. I'm sure your screen and shows that.
I'm using phone. I'm not on system. I just been that's how we do it in programming. So I don't know if it will work on Excel too.
DD.
That as in format first.
Okay. I'm coming.
They are supposed to be something. Huh?
So we have the today, and we
Yes.
have the format, which is DD, the month should be 2, then the year it's not working. So
It's not working. Okay.
it's not working. So I feel you should just check the date on your laptop and so I think that is that. I hope you have filled the form, right?
Roy, please can you? But I think there's a way you can do it though.
Okay.
If you can actually format the cell, I think it's
Like
going
how do
to.
you mean?
I think right click on the cell, the particular
Mm-hmm.
cell. Maybe the person is complaining about the month coming first. I be the day.
Yes,
Which one?
yes. Yes, he said the day coming first.
Yeah,
Probably
the day coming first.
there's a
Yeah.
check. I think right click on the particular cell. So you are going to go to format cell. So I think
Format cell.
there's a place you can choose. Yes, you can choose the
Okay, I've
type
seen
of
it.
arrangement you want. So you
Oh,
Have you tried that?
okay.
is it
Yeah.
showing?
Yeah, I've seen
I
the
think
format here.
uh, so maybe there's a way you want it. I think it should be there.
Okay.
Probably.
Have you been
Okay.
able to do that?
I drop a
Yeah.
format here now. I don't know if it will work that way.
Let me check. It's not changing it though. It's still the same. It didn't just change
I
the format, but
Okay,
He has a format
your
that
day is
is
coming
dropped in
first,
a
Abby?
chat.
the day is coming first and the month is still in the middle. It didn't exactly change the month and the day. It just
So somebody
changed the
dropped
pattern.
something here, but I'm not. Yes, it's changed the pattern. So you just showed it in text, like it showed it in long dates.
Yeah, yeah, something like this. Something like this.
Okay.
I've done both,
This one is in
but
long
it doesn't
dates.
still work. It doesn't still work. I've done both long date, short date, even time. It doesn't work.
Have you
Probably
changed
the
your
computer
this
has that
thing,
That particular column
your
K.
your laptop? Have you checked that?
I should check my laptop.
Your laptop, the way the date is arranged on your laptop.
The date is arranged month, day, and year. I'm not the one that is having issue of date. Oh. I'm just trying to do everything that we did with the current date with that column K, but it's not working. It's just showing hash
It's
value.
not working for you.
Yes,
It's showing hash
the
value.
column K, the column
Can
K,
you,
the column K, not the column M. I mean L. I'm talking about the column K now, which is the normal date that we have there before we created the current date.
uh,
It doesn't
wait,
still work.
the date
I've changed to long
before?
date to short date to time,
Wait,
still doesn't work.
is it when you are extracting the year?
Yes, when I'm extracting the year, the month and day, it doesn't work. From
It
column
doesn't
K.
work. Can you share your screen?
Okay, let me just do that.
Okay. Month, day.
Okay. Please let me just choose. Okay, I guess this. Oh, sorry. Let me just choose this. Share. Can you see my screen now?
Not yet. Okay, we can see it now.
Yes, we can see it now.
Is equal to yeah, right? Open brackets. I choose the color. Okay, close
No, that's
brackets.
not the date you are using. You use the current
Uh,
date.
that's why I'm saying that now. That's why is it that you can't work with that column K. I've done all those one. That is easy. This
Yeah.
extract dates, extract months.
So okay, the
I've
date
done all
of birth
those for
is
years.
listed
So I
having
was
now.
just wondering that why doesn't it work with that column K? I've changed that column K to long date, to short date, to time. I've turned it to everywhere. It doesn't still work. So if you now face some say challenges like this in a fiction, how are we going to
As
know
I
the
said,
cause of the problem?
I've answered this. I've spoken about this before. That all boils down to data cleaning.
Cleaning,
And
yes.
I don't want to dive into that this night. So
Okay, okay,
yes,
all right.
I don't want
Thanks
to
so
dive into that this night. Which Excel are you using?
I
Yes. Which year?
2016.
Okay. 2016.
Yes.
Is that right? Fair enough.
Sir?
You're any other person. I've heard you. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, I've tried everything. I think it's not changing.
What about your laptop, please?
The laptop date is the same date, sha.
Is it showing month? Is it month, day, and year?
Yes, it's showing day, month, and year. Yes.
So it's because your laptop date is showing day, month, and year. That is why your own is also showing day, year, and month. Day, month, and
Okay.
year. It is the arrangement of the date on your laptop that will reflect on that same day.
Okay. Maybe
So
later
why
I'll
my own?
change it.
Yes, why my own is showing month, date, and year because of how my laptop uh,
Okay.
is arranged.
Okay. Okay.
So thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
This person just joined and is asking for section code. Although we've shared the section code, let me drop it for you again. I said it is what SAS101. I know the person, probably the person just came for the session code. It's fine. 101. Don't just go after the certificate to go after the knowledge too. So thank you very much. We'll see tomorrow by
Sir, please before you go.
okay.
So I have one issue. Let me quickly share the screen so you can see where the issue is. Let me do this. Share.
Which issue is that?
So, like, can you see my screen now?
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, for instance, on this right, I choose the actual number of the letter in the right, which is semi. Semi supposed to be 4. So why is it showing this drop down triangle? I believe that there is something wrong.
Click on it.
Sir?
Click on it. Click on the triangle. Let's see. Show you the message. No, click on the semi. And that thing
I
is
click
showing
on
by
the
the side.
semi.
Yes,
Yeah?
that triangle. That triangle is showing. Click on it. There's this triangle. That triangle that is showing there.
Yeah, this small one.
That warning that it showed, that's
That
warning
one is
Okay.
information,
click on it.
something.
Inconsistent formula.
That's the information.
That is the information.
But it's the same formula I use for others.
Remove the whole thing now. Remove it. Remove it. Just click out.
Okay.
The one before it is 3. I guess the one before it you choose 3, right?
Yes.
The one after it is also 3.
Yes.
The one at the middle is 4.
Yes.
So as you answered the question, I said inconsistent formula.
Okay, because it's having 3, 4, 2, 3. Okay.
You get
That
it now.
means
So
maybe because I did the autofill.
you
But I
did
didn't do
autofill, right?
autofill now.
Yes,
I didn't do
but the one
autofill.
at wait, the
Autofill
one at the
doesn't work
top,
for it.
the one at autofill works. The one at the top is 3. The one at the down is 3. The one at the middle is now 4. So that's why it is telling inconsistent formula.
Okay.
Yes,
So
you
pay attention to information too. It's very key.
So thank you very much. I appreciate everyone for coming around and your patience, and please do not give up. I keep saying it, do not give up. So thank you very much. Good night to you guys. I will drop the
Good night. Peaceful night.
Okay, don't worry. After tomorrow's class, I'll drop the assignment, please.
Okay, sir. No problem.
All right.
Thanks.
Thanks a lot.
Yes, sir.
Please, this is session 5, right?
Session 4.
Yes,
so it's
sir.
session 5, rather. Session 5.
Session 5.
Yes, session 5.
All right.
Yes.